So our next friend from Earthbrain actually successfully finished the Broad Street Run. Who here knows about the Broad Street Run here in Philly? Awesome. You could join the Cesium team for next year's. He did it in 2024. But now he's going to talk to us about Smart Construction Dashboard by Earthbrain. So let's put our hands together for Hajime Wakabayashi.
Hi everyone, I'm Hajime Wakabayashi from Earthbrain. Today I'd like to share you about how we are bringing Gaussian splatting to our smart construction applications. First, a little bit about us. The Earthbrain is a third company that's driving data transformation of civil engineering. And we also had a brand, Smart Construction, and at the heart of it is Smart Construction Dashboard, a construction progress tracking platform built on CesiumJS and on tiling backend. So it is already productionized and used a large site worldwide currently. And why we are interested in Gaussian splatting. So in Japan, especially, our customer must have to explain to the nearby residents that how we going to build this construction site. So typically, this is done by taking photo, but often our residents said that I would like to see this picture taken from this side. So if the photo doesn't exist at that time, so our customers have to go to the construction site again and take picture and go back to the residents and show them again. So if we are using 3D Gaussian splatting, so we don't have to take a photo, and because it renders photorealistic visuals, and no picture taking is not necessary. And more important is that CesiumJS 3D Gaussian splatting support is maturing fast, like this. And we are digging some more use cases, so I would like to share two of them. One is a video with a point cloud overlay in AR. So in this use case, we record the utilities like water pipes underground, and after it covered, but we can see through underground by using this technique. The one is on the right is like a game. So we can move the entire construction site freely, so that if the residents want to see some part of the construction site, we can give you this runtime to see. You can see entire construction site like this. And this is our current pipeline. So we start from large angle drone footage, and we input taking photos to SFM and MVS engines, and then through Splat training, then transform coordinate to feed CesiumJS, and then generate LOD one by one. Then finally, we can generate 3D tiles. And after that, we can upload them into our remote server, and we can show the 3D Gaussian splatting rendering to our product. And I wanted to proceed the live demo here, but this is a short talk, so I will skip this. So please reach me if you would like to see our product. So this is the practical challenges. So, but yeah, there's time shortage, so I will skip this slide. And finally, so I would like to done the hybrid scene rendering. That is 3D Gaussian Splatting and target design polygons, heat map rendering at once. And also, I would like to integrate the test pipeline into the actual production. And I would love to share findings back to the CesiumJS community. So that's it from me. Thank you very much for listening.
Great job. All right.